Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I am the Kako Collective, and on today's episode, we are bringing you another BJJ rolling breakdown video. So, on today's episode, we are featuring me, the purple belt, versus one of the ZR team brown belts. Now, like I've said in my other BJJ breakdown videos, I am working on back to the basics. So, basically, I'm working close guard, arm bars, omoplatas, triangles, shoring up my defenses and my offensive abilities from close guard, and just becoming a more dangerous jiu-jitsu practitioner overall. So if you see something in the rolling footage that needs work, something that I'm doing that I could be doing better, please leave a comment in the comment section. Like I said, I'm always trying to improve, getting that 1% better every time. So all of your comments will be read and listened to and will help me get better at jiu-jitsu. If you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my rolling breakdown videos. So with all that out of the way, let us get into this video. So here we're just going to try to, walk around, establish each other, try to figure things out. And here I'm going to go for a very, very bad double leg takedown, but he falls to his back. And I do believe that I get the 2 points since we were connected. Please let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure that's 2 points for me. So as you can see here, I'm going to establish a top smashed half guard, which is a position that I love passing. So I'm going to get my left arm deep on his lat, grab his far pant leg, and backstep out of there, scoring my passing points. And here also what I like to do is take that lapel, feed it on their head. It's very tried and true for me, also establishing a lot of pressure. And here I'm also doing a very pressure heavy knee on belly, just establishing a very dominant position. As you can see here, I tried to hop over to mount, but my leg gets caught and he rolls, getting me into the closed guard, which is the position that I actually wanted to work. So here I'm just working from the closed guard. What I decided to do is, instead of attacking the near arm, which is his right arm, I decided to start attacking the left arm. I want to be dangerous from both sides of closed guard, and I usually favor attacking the person's right arm. Here's somebody who's going to stand in front of the camera, ladies and gentlemen. I apologize for that. So I decided to start attacking the left arm because, like I said, I want to be dangerous from both sides, and I tend to favor the person's right arm, which people are starting to get aware of. As you can see here, I'm passing his left arm over the center line, but I do not have a dominant grip, and when I tried to switch it, he's able to pull his arm back. But the good thing about closed guard here is that I didn't lose anything. I just lost a little bit of time. His posture is kind of broken down, and I'm able to just shift my hips and establish the grip that I want. Now that his arm is fully over, I'm able to pull him into a back take position. So now I'm here in the back take, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to work on a choke here, but he's not very, from what I remember, his head isn't in the position that I need. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to bail on the back take and establish the mount position. So from here, I'm working basically an S mount to an arm bar is what I'm trying to go to. As you can see here, I'm going to step up my right leg and establish the S mount position, which I do establish, but as you can see, my weight isn't very centered. It's very light on my right, his left, and I'm very heavy on my left, his right. He's going to take advantage of that and bump me over into basically a double under position. Here I'm going to grab his sleeves and I'm going to snake my left foot in for the De La Hiva, and I'm going to have to start working an open guard because I'm now not in a closed guard position and not able to work anything that I wanted to work. So here I'm going to take my left arm and grab his pant leg. This is a very dominant grip. He's going to take my right leg and try to throw it over for a leg drag position, but I'm able to keep my guard retention. As you can see here, he's going to try to stuff my legs together, but he flares out his elbows, and I'm able to pull his elbows towards me and establish the closed guard and start working once again. So as you can see, I'm back to the closed guard and I'm working on that left arm, trying to bring it across the center line once again. That is the tried and true way to basically establish a very dominant position from closed guard. As you can see, I'm trying to pull it. I'm going to sit up, but it's not going to work, but I'm able to pull his posture back down, and I'm going to just work that arm until I can get into a position where I can threaten a submission or a sweep. As you can see here, I angle out and his arm is across my center line, which is going to help me set up the arm bar here. I'm going to take my right arm, grab his shoulder here and swing my leg over for the arm bar, but he's able to pull his arm and I lose the position. I don't feel that I have the armbar there, so I just go back to my closed guard, a high closed guard. So as you can see, closed guard is very, very good. I mean, I'm not able to get the submission, but I don't really lose much on attempting the submission, and it forces him to think about it. His posture is still pretty much broken down, and now I'm working on angling out and attacking the right arm. What I'm trying to do is attack the right arm, the left arm, the right arm, the left arm, threaten submissions, and just be a very dangerous close guard player. So here he's able to break my close guard and get both of his arms under my legs for basically like a stack pass, or what I think is going to be a stack pass, but he ends up smashing my legs together and hopping over into the side control position. So I went from basically an offensive position to a defensive position. I'm framing against his neck and my hips with my left and right arms. What I'm trying to do with my feet here is I'm going to try to snake my left foot in, basically elevate him with that butterfly hook and get into a half guard position to recover, but he's able to stop me and keep me in side control. What I do is I duck my left arm under and I'm trying to spin out from underneath him, but I'm not able to. He grabs my far lapel, if you can see right there, to hold me from rolling, and he's trying to set up a modified bow and arrow choke. When that leg comes over, I grab it, and then I force both my shins through to stop him from getting the position, and I use that momentum to roll over and escape a very, very dangerous position. So here I'm pretty much working the top passing position now since I've lost the close guard. What I'm trying to do is force his leg down so I can step over it and start working into an over under. I get into a combat position, but he's trying to isolate my arm, so I sit back on my butt to stop him from pulling my arm away and getting a triangle with his very, very long legs. He grabs my pant legs here, and basically what he's trying to do is pull my right arm through so he can set up a triangle, but I'm keeping it very, very close to my body, stopping him from being able to do that. What I do is I try to grab his pant legs here and force his legs together and run around to the back, but I'm not able to because the time runs out. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any criticisms or critiques for my BJJ game, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm always striving to improve my jiu-jitsu and get 1% better every time I step out on the mats, and your comments and criticisms will definitely help me shore up my weaknesses and flaws in my BJJ game. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm sorry that this one took so long to come out. I've been working other ventures, but I will be bringing BJJ breakdown videos at least once a week to the channel, so don't miss out on any of those. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.